Hey, Dana Lynette here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a quick get ready with me for church. This video is a little bit all over the place because it's very real. A little bit of editing, but this is what my life be like, trying to get it together. And I actually wasn't that late today. So as you can see, we're getting the edges together with a little bit of edge fixer. I don't remember what that scent is, but it smells good. Probably toxic, but it smells good. So before I get my shower, I usually like to lay my edges by spritzing a little water, getting the edge fixer and a small tooth comb, and laying down the baby hairs. I do that instead of constantly trying to retwist or interlock the locks along my hairline because they be fuzzy. But they lay pretty easily, and then I tie them down, put on a shower cap, jump in the shower, and by the time I get out, the edge control is dry and I'm good to go. Here's my outfit for the day. It's a pretty blue dress. It's giving office, but very appropriate for church. I spared you all most of the makeup. I think I show you my eye routine. Yeah. So I put my contacts on and tidying up my brows. And this little Morphe palette, I'm not used to it. I just bought it around my birthday. And I really jacked my eyes up today. I look like I got punched in the face because, woo, that's the wrong color. And this is me realizing that's the wrong color, girl. And then the saga of me trying to correct. I think I go through 3 different eyeshadow palettes and some concealer trying to correct what I did. And I finally just decided to just kind of pretend like the look I came out with was okay. And it actually turned out okay. I just made a decision. This gonna have to be all right. And it was. So anyway, I'm still trying to fix these eyes, y'all. Anybody ever do that? Like, you do your eye makeup last, so you got your whole face on, and then you make a mistake with your eye makeup. Like a bad mistake. Like I said, you look like you got punched in the face. And then you just got to fix it. And, and keep fixing it until you can make it work. Here's an encouraging word. Keep trying. It'll work out. So in addition to struggling with this Morphe palette, well, and the other palettes that I use to try to fix the mistake I made with the Morphe palette, I then caught myself trying to be cute with some false lashes. I did a half lash today. I like the half lash. I don't like my application. Something was going on with my bonding glue stuff. And it was like extra gooey today. And I used it anyway. I'm telling y'all, this voiceover is recorded after church. And I've already taken those lashes off. And I feel like I ripped most of my eyelashes out. It's not funny, but I'm sure I'm not the only one who has ever done that. Yeah. So, since I don't have very many eyelashes left, I'm probably going to be wearing falsies for a while to try and conceal that I ripped my eyelashes out. I really like the e.l.f. liner. The mascara is okay. I have not found a mascara that I'm like head over heels about. My eyelashes tend to be curved like little C's, but when I find one that's worth raving about, I'll come on here and rave. But I'm not one to spend $99 on no mascara either, so we'll see. Again, I do like the half lash. It's such a natural look for every day. And everyday looks is what I typically go for. Or in my head, I do. I think I do. Yeah, that's that bonding glue in it. I don't know why it was so gooey today, but here I got them on. I didn't look too terribly crazy, but it was not a smooth operation. All right, as you can see, the edge is laid pretty well. Again, I don't usually sleep with a bonnet or anything, so I just sleep with my hair in a bun or a ponytail or something. Today I'm doing a half up, half down look, which was very simple, but in my opinion, very cute. I did not fool with the ends of this hair and trying to define it. I find that it doesn't seem to want to do anything when I try to define it. So what I'm going to try next, and maybe I'll record it whenever I get around to doing it, I'm going to treat it like synthetic hair. So I'm going to braid, probably after I wash my hair, I'm going to braid the curly ends and dip them in boiling hot water like you curl synthetic hair, and see if it at least gives me that wavy, super defined wavy look. And if it doesn't, then I'll just let it do what it do until I take it out. And it don't do much. All right, tidying up this hair so that we can move on. I kept the jewelry simple. I just put on I think that might be my biggest pair of hoops. I need to get some real big hoops. And then I put on my little cross bracelet. And, get my lips together. Now, this NARS lipstick is a little sample, a little birthday sample that Ulta gives you. It's the only reason I have NARS lipstick. I like to wear a lipstick and then line my lips with a lipstick as well. I didn't have a lipstick dark enough, so I think that the CoverGirl lipstick that I attempted to line my lips with is probably about the same color as the NARS. All right, as a final makeup touch, I am trying to lighten the corner of my eye and my brow bone. This particular palette, some generic palette I have, I think it was gifted to me. It's not very pigmented, and so it doesn't give a lot. It doesn't deposit a lot of color, so I don't think my brow bone looked highlighted at all today, and that's fine. The corner of my eye had a little something, something. All right, my Mary Janes. I'm about 5'9", so when I put on a 3-inch pump, I am about 6 feet tall in those shoes. Got the little neck tie together. Okay. I think I'm ready to walk out the door. So, one last spin, check myself out, grab my coat, get out the door. Actually, grab my coat, my purse, and my Bible, and get out the door. Thank you all for tuning into my channel. If there's any particular kind of video that you'd like to see, comment below and let me know. If you like my outfit, give the video a like. And drop a comment and let me know. Appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. More content's coming.